Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to install the incoming SMS app in Bitrix24. This is a powerful way to manage text message communications directly within your Bitrix24 workspace, keeping all your customer interactions in one centralized platform. First, open your browser and navigate to bitrix24.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in to your Bitrix24 account using your credentials. Make sure you enter your username and password correctly to access your workspace. After logging in successfully, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll find several navigation options. Look for the market icon and click on it. This market section is where you can browse and install various applications and integrations that extend the functionality of your Bitrix24 platform. Now that you're in the marketplace, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in SMS and hit enter. This will bring up the SMS application, which is the tool we need for managing incoming SMS messages. Once you locate it in the search results, click on Install. This begins the installation process for the app. Next, you'll be presented with 3 permission boxes that outline what access the app needs to function properly within your Bitrix24 account. Go ahead and select all 3 boxes to grant the necessary permissions, then click Install to proceed. These permissions allow the app to integrate seamlessly with your existing Bitrix24 features and ensure it can send and receive SMS messages on your behalf. The installation will take just a moment to complete. Once it's finished, you'll see an option that says Open App. Click on this to launch SMS for the first time and begin the setup process. When the app opens, you'll need to provide some essential information to configure your account. Fill in the required fields, which include your first name, last name, phone number, email, and country. Make sure all the information you enter is accurate, as this will be used to set up your SMS messaging capabilities and link them to your Bitrix24 workspace. After you've filled in all the necessary details, click the Send button to submit your information. This finalizes the setup and activates the SMS app within your Bitrix24 account. And that's it. You've successfully installed and configured the incoming SMS app in Bitrix24, allowing you to manage text communications directly from your workspace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.